Before the opening bell, U.S. futures on the upside after closing mixed yesterday because shares in automobiles and components, as well as tech, hardware and equipment, and the utility sectors, they managed to trade higher. This while the combination of shares in banks, consumer durables and apparel, as well as household and personal products, they were under pressure. This all as 45% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, we have a bit of action. JP Morgan losing some ground pre-market after posting first quarter managed net interest income of $13 billion, slightly below expectations. On the other hand, first quarter EPS beating forecast. And Goldman Sachs edging higher before hours as first quarter earnings beat expectations. And then Pfizer's CEO Albert Bourla said on Twitter that the company has raised production of its COVID-19 vaccine and can deliver 10% more doses to the United States by the end of May than previously agreed 200 million doses. Taking a look at today's expectations in terms of earnings, we first have Wells Fargo on the docket, and then on the economic docket before the opening bell we have the release of the MBA mortgage applications as well as import prices and export price figures. Then at noon we have a speech from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, followed by the Fed Beige Book in the late afternoon hours. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees further upside. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, that has an intraday upside prevail, and that's in focus. The relative strength index shows upside momentum, and long positions above 13,880 are favored with targets at 14,030 and 14,130 in extension. And the Dow Jones has its expectation level 33,800.